day, guys. Good to um, be with you guys today. So, this is a quick course. I've been told to create some course about UI, UX design. Um, so I said, okay, I'll do that. I'll do that. Um, a quick one. I'm not just a software developer or a web developer or an electronic guy. So I can proudly say I'm a full tech bro, man. So let's quickly do something different today. For those that already know me as a software, a coder, a programmer, different names related to that, a guy that writes computer program. Okay, so today in this course, we are going to go deeply down to all we need to know about the UI UX design as a career path and everything you just need to know about UI UX design. So this is a comprehensive UI UX design course using Figma. So we are specifically going to work with Figma. There are other softwares that you can use for UI UX design like the Adobe X design or so. So on. So, but I'm familiar working with Figma, and I think Figma is one of the best and largest community there for UI UX design for a product designer, and so on. So let's quickly dive into the introduction to UI UX design using Figma. So, introduction to UI UX design, setting the foundation. Okay, some people do ask me, do I need to be a graphic designer for me to uh, be a UI UX designer? My comment is no, you must not be a graphic designer. And this course is good for everyone that don't even have a knowledge about design, about anything. This course is creating for you. It's good for you. So as a beginner, you are coming into the tech industry and you don't have any idea on anything related to tech, but you are just um, motivated. You have this passion to be in the tech space, and you feel that um, you can work in an inch in the tech industry. Must not be the guy that writes code or the C's, the tech C's or tech bros that write codes. But you can do design. I said this course is actually for you. So you need nothing except your passion and your system to be a UI UX designer. So let's quickly dive into this course fully. So course overview, what we are going to learning. So what's the course covered? So what we are going to learn about this course. We'll talk about it. We'll talk about it. Then the goals and learning outcomes of this course. We'll talk about it. The structure and the model, the peripheries, everything that we need to know about this course, man. So I'm so excited. I'm so excited to lead you guys to this career of becoming a UI UX designer. So sorry. Okay. Importance of UI UX design. So let's look. Why should we learn UI UX design? You understand why is UI UX design matters to the tech space. Then importance on user satisfaction, then influence on business success and reward, example etc, success story and the rest of them. Thanks. Okay. Yes, let me go deep down to why UI UX design matters. In the tech space, there's actually no product. If we look at most of the app that inspire us, like the fintechs guys are doing so wonderfully well. so wonderfully well when it comes to the user interface and user design. Then, as I was saying, there's no industry or there's no tech industry or tech space that UI UX is not important to. Thank you guys. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel as you motivate me to create the next video. So the next video is going to be welcome to UI UX design. So see you guys. Have a great time. Bye bye. The Chinese will say 再见，推头见。